What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2018 Toyota RAV4 using Bluetooth. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and then open the Bluetooth menu and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at the center screen, there are several different ways to get to the screen that we need to be at, but what I'm going to do is just press the home button here on the left-hand side. And then from this screen, I'm going to click Select Phone. And then from this screen, I'm going to click Add. Now we'll grab our phone, and under the available devices, it'll pop up as Toyota RAV4. Go ahead and click on that. And then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does, so we'll click pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now, but as you can see, we are connected here, and if you want to, you can install the Toyota app, and that will give you a few more options as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.